2018, Justin Trudeau legalized the retail sale of cannabis in efforts to eliminate the black market. You must be over 19 to enter a cannabis shop. All products are locked behind a display counter.
Whereas the Cashmere is 2 grams of the same.
Oh, they're different. Okay.
Yeah.
And are there like artificial terpenes added to that, or is it just?
All products have a government seal and a tax receipt is produced upon purchase.
But not as a full feeling high. If you've ever done like the vape carts, the best way I found to describe it feels kind of like hollow.
Yeah.
Shattering diamonds can kind of get like that. You go up really fast and down really fast.
Yeah, I feel like it's like a cup of coffee. You know what I mean? It's like you hit it.
Hash, and if you're looking for like a more complete or a high that's closer to flower, hash, resin, and rosin are the way to go because they have the most terpenes.
Yeah. The diamonds don't really have the terps. Hash rolled in peat.
Temple balls.
And what's the price of that one?
I would have to check.
In jurisdictions where cannabis was legalized for adults, there has been no increase in use amongst adolescents. Research from the University of Waterloo found no increase in problematic cannabis use post-legalisation. Respondents of a study suggested that households within close proximity to a cannabis retail store are less likely to purchase from the black market.